What's the situation here? Okay, here we got close the. This is open notepad, so I got the light. I got the light in my face, like a fancy streamer, with lights. Who's in for a short break? I'm all in. Short break. I'll be here, but just catch breath. And for that sake, cool down this soundtrack. Maybe put this on, but have the SID amp player visible. Like this. Actually, I'll go even further, deeper into here. But as a matter of fact, I'll just get the Blender manual reloaded and working again because it broke. It's not in sync left and left content page navigation and the main. Okay, I'm here, and I take a second thought, and I might just even give Blender videos, tutorials a shot, and have the manual at hand for a quick reference. And but I'm also impatient myself, so that aligns me with anybody. We're all impatient. We'd like to be able to get things done now and move to another next thing. Like that's the popular conception of progression, yeah? Move quickly next to another thing. Because there is a good online series, video series. Maybe I grab the... Okay, I'll do here. YouTube. Okay, I can see there is still new videos being released on YouTube from recent Godot Engine conference from 6 hours ago. New video. They are ranging from couple minutes, 5 minutes videos to 40 minutes, 20 minutes. They keep an average 20 minutes length, like from the horse's mouth. So this is this content, this part of stream will not go into actual episode. I'm just talking while chilling and looking on YouTube if I could find then the hashtag B3D tutorial. There's a guy, Blender Guru. He actually broke it down like a real pro. So I'll switch to that now. Dial this music down. Switch to full screen. And have a look. So YouTube is good because it works well also on smaller displays. Good, it adapts the available screen size, real estate space on the screen properly. That's all. I'm done. I'm done with this. What you call it? The recapitulation, the summary for the stream. And now for Godot. No, cat, don't claw in the thigh. No, I don't want that. Thank you all for stopping by. Here goes the outro. I'll be ready here, your host, who loves you the most, even you. Not forgetting about you. Stay safe.